Ancient Snowfall and Modern Delays. This Week in Space, recap this week's episode of This Week in Space with Rod Pyle and Tariq Malik dives into startling new evidence suggesting the moon once experienced snowfall, not of water ice alone, but of carbon dioxide as well. The discussion, featuring NASA's former chief scientist Dr. Jim Green, centers on simulations indicating a dynamic magnetic field shared between the early Earth and Moon. This field enabled a far denser lunar atmosphere, twice that of present-day Mars, allowing for precipitation billions of years ago. The revelation has broad implications for planetary science, reshaping our understanding of the moon's early conditions. However, the episode doesn't shy away from current space programs. Discussions also cover the successful landing of Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket booster after its launch for NASA's ESCAPADE mission, a critical step forward in reusable rocket technology. Current missions face challenges. The episode also highlights recent setbacks. The Chinese Shenzhou 20 astronauts returned to Earth using a backup spacecraft after discovering cracks in their original capsule, raising concerns about reliability. SpaceX's lunar landing program for Artemis II faces further delays, a recurring theme in ambitious space endeavors. Lunar samples and comet fragments. Recent scientific breakthroughs include the analysis of untouched Apollo 17 lunar samples from 1972, offering potential clues about the moon's violent origins. Meanwhile, Comet C 2025 K1 Atlas has fragmented into 3 pieces after a close encounter with the Sun, a reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of space. Space News briefs China's Shenzhou 20 astronauts returned safely after a window crack forced a spacecraft swap. Blue Origin landed its New Glenn booster after a successful NASA mission launch. Comet Atlas split into 3 fragments after a solar brush. Lunar Origins. Apollo 17 samples may unlock secrets about the moon's early violence. Model rockets and space exploration. The episode concludes with a lighter note. A detailed, launchable model of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket is now available for enthusiasts, retailing at $149.99 with a 10% discount using the code NCOLLECTSBAC. The episode reinforces that space exploration is a blend of groundbreaking discoveries and persistent challenges. From ancient lunar snowfall to modern program delays, the pursuit of knowledge beyond Earth remains a complex, yet vital endeavor.